Very good evening, all of you. I welcome this online session. Hope you are all fine. Very good evening, all of you. So, I'm starting the session. Everyone, I am welcoming you. So, I wish you all the best for everyone who is going to write the exam on September 16th for TCS NQT. Try to write well. So, for that purpose, I am trying to conduct this live session for you. Exclusively, I have collected previous year questions from my NQT National Qualifier Test. Some of the questions are here. I have collected exclusively for you. So just try to answer them quickly. I hope already you have completed the training as well as your preparation also. Who is going to write? I wish you all the best. NQT TCS 2023. Perform well. So this first problem is based on ratio and proportions. Ratio and proportion question, this one is. Please try to share the video link with all the participants and who is going to write the exam. Okay, firstly look at this question. This is about ratio and proportion. They are giving you x and y ratio is 6/5. Nothing but just you can write like x is to y is equals to, what is the ratio? 6 is to 5. At the same time, they are also giving you z is to y. Z is to y ratio is what? 3 is to 4. Or otherwise, how can you write y is to z? Y is to z ratio is what? 4 is to 3. Okay, x is to y ratio 6 is to 5. At the same time, y is to z ratio is what? 4 is to 3. And easily you can identify like x is to y is to z. Okay, x is to y is to z. How to write this one means, just to look at here. First you have to do 6 into 4, 24. 4 into 5, 20. And 5 into 3, 15. So x is to y is to z. What is the answer? 24 is to 20 is to 15. So in this question they are asking what? X is to z. So what is the x is to z value? X is to z is equals to, what is the x value? 24. And what is the z value? 15. Okay, we can cancel with the 3 table, 3 8 the and 3 5 the. And what is the ratio of x is to z? X is to z is 8 is to 5. 8 is to 5. Okay, before my explanation, just try to comment the answers. And this is asked in NQT 2018 question, this one. Hope it is fine. And also you can write like in this way also you can simplify this problem. X is to y is 6 is to 5. And also y is to z. Y is to z means, what is the y is to z? 4 is to 3. 4 is to 3. So just whatever the number 5 here, so write 5 as it is. And what is the number 4 here? Write 4 as it is. So in this way also you can identify 6 into 4, 24. 5 into 4, 20. 5 into 3, 15. In this way we got x is to y is to z. So both answers are same. Yes or no? Yes. So method 1, you can use this one or use this one. Anyhow, you will get the answer same. These are all TCS questions only. TCS competitive, TCS NQT questions only. I am presenting you. So next question. Look at this one. TCS NQT 30 January 2023 question. This one is. Okay, 30 January 2023 question. This one is. Just try to comment the answers quickly. Okay, so the difference between circumference and the radius of a circular playground is 185 centimeters. If one fence is needed around the ground, what will be the cost of fencing? If the price for fencing is 12 per centimeters. Okay, students. So this is about a circular playground. This is about circular playground. So how to answer this type of questions? I already told you easy technique for this type of things. Okay, just you have to go with 11 multiple. I hope you have seen my previous videos also. In that I have clearly explained you what is the 11th multiple. Some of the alternative difference should be what? 0 or 11. The sum of the alternative difference should be what? 0 or 11. Okay, just look at here. You can write like 2, 8, 10 and 2, 0, 2. So 10 minus 2 nothing but what is the difference? 8. But what I told you, the difference should be 0 or 11. Henceforth, the option number 1 is wrong. So next one, 2 plus 6, 8 and 1 plus 0, 1. The alternate difference should be what? 7. But I told you 0 or 11. So cancel. So next, 2. 2 to 4. 7 plus 0, 7. 7 minus 4, nothing but 3. But it should be 0 or 11. Cancel. So 2 plus 4, 6. And 6 plus 0, 6. 6 minus 6, 0. So what I told you, the difference should be 0 or 11. Henceforth, what is the correct option? Fourth one. Fourth one. Okay, student. Just within fraction of seconds, you can identify the answers for this type of questions. Look at here. But if you do it in traditional way, it will be taking more time. So look at. Let me give you the explanation. The difference between circumference. What is the circumference formula? 2 pi r. The difference between circumference and radius. Radius nothing but r. Of your playground is how many centimeters? 185 centimeters. Okay, so from this one you will write like 2 into pi value 22 by 7. Okay, into r value we don't know, that's why r minus r is equals to 105. 105. 2 into 20, 44. Okay, if you simplify this one you will get the r value, and also you will be doing like 2 pi r, because circumference nothing but length of the circle. You have to do this much of calculations. It is redundant in competitive exams. If you want to be a winner, use smartest techniques all the time. Okay, ready. Let me go for next question. Find the greatest number that will divide 330, 647, 825, leaving reminders 15, 17, 19. Okay, students. So just to find out the number which will divide these numbers, and also not perfectly dividing the reminders. First, what is the number you are having here? 330. When you divide the number with greatest number with what is the remainder you are getting? 15. So just try to subtract this 15. 315 here, and from 647 what is the remainder? 17. Just try to subtract the 17. 0, 3, 6, and from this 821 just try to subtract 19. So 0, 1, 8, 1, 10. So if you take option number A, this 55 should divide all these numbers: 315, 630 and 8 to 10. Okay, 8 to 10. Firstly, how to divide, how to check whether it is dividing or not. First, let's take 55. 55 can be written as 11 into 5. So it has to be divisible by 5, at the same time 11. Okay, so this number is divisible by 5, divisible by 5, divisible by 5, because last number is 0. So next it should be divisible by 11. 11 means clearly I told you just now, some of the alternative difference should be 0 or 11. 3 plus 5, 8. 8 minus 1. 8 minus 1, 7. So it cannot be divisible. It cannot be divisible. So clearly we cannot divide this one. Let me go for the value 35. 35. 35 means it has to be divisible by 3, 7 and 5. So already it is divisible by 5, and this by using this 7 we cannot divide this 81. Okay, so let me go for the value with 15. 15 value is not 3 and 5. It is already divisible by 5. So let me check whether it is divisible by 3 or not. So it has to be divisible by 3 means the sum should be divisible by 9. What is the sum here? 3 plus 1 plus 3. Totally 9. 9 is divisible by 3. Ikkada 6 plus 3, 9, divisible by 9, divisible by 3, 8 plus 1, 9, that is also divisible by 3. So all the numbers are divisible. That means what should be the answer here? 15. 15 is the answer. Very important question. This is purely based on the divisibility rules. I hope you have seen my divisibility rules video also. So first just to subtract the reminders from the given numbers. Then after, this number should all the divide all the numbers. That's it. Okay, ready? And look at this one. What will be the remainder when 85 into 87 into 91 into and so on up to 96 divided by 900 divided by 100? So everyone tell you what general process, but I won't teach you the general process. Then let me go for direct logic. So what is the values? 85 into 87 into 91 into 95 into 96. This number should be divisible by 100, and they are asking what after the divisible what is the remainder. They are asking you remainder. So I will tell you the remainder. How to do the remainder? First 85 can be written as 7 into 5. 95 can be written as like how? 19 into 5. 19 into 5. And let me go one more thing, and this 96 can be written as like 4 into 24. Okay students, so first 5 is here, 5, and here 5 is here. 5 into 5, 25. 25 into 4, 25, 4 into 4, 100. So once it is divisible by 100, 100 is divisible by 100 total, yes or no? Once it is getting 100 means this total number is divisible by 100. Blindly you can go with the option 0 is the answer. What is the remainder you are supposed to get there? 0, because 7 into 5 and 19 into 5, 4 into 24, 5 into 5, 25, 25 into 4, 25 into 4 nothing but what? 25 into 4 is here, 25 into 4 nothing but 100. 100 is divisible by 100, yes or no? Yes. That's why the total number is divisible by 100. There will be nothing remainder. Option is 0. Option is 0. Ready? And look at this puzzle. Look at this puzzle. Whatever the questions I am giving you, all are repeated, all are from TCS NQT only, not my questions or any RS Agarwal textbook, not that kind of questions. First, look at here. 6 plus 5 into 17 is equal to 71. That is the question they are giving you. But 6 plus 9, 15. 15 into 17 is not equals to 71. The value will be more. That means they are not doing simple mathematical operations here. What they are trying to do is here, just observe carefully. Just observe carefully. 6 into 9, 54 plus, and what is the value? 17. 54 plus 17, nothing but what? 71. 71. That's why you can conclude that they are not doing mathematical operations. It is a puzzle based question. If you want to solve puzzle, just try to think creatively instead of buttifying it. So same operation should be done here. 4 into 7, 24. 4 into 7, 28. 28, and also here plus 19. Plus 19. So what is the answer totally? 28 plus 10, 38. 38 plus 9. Totally answer is 47. 47 is the answer. Okay, I hope it is clear. They are not doing mathematical operation, they are doing puzzle. Okay, look at the question. Try to solve it. Please try to like the video and share with your friends. Okay, if you do this problem in a normal way, you will be taking much time, and many of you don't know the process also. But let me give you one important logic to identify the answer. Finally, what is the question they are asking? Total apples he purchased. Okay, total man buys certain number of apples, he sells 3 by 5 of total apples. Okay, 3 by 5 of total apples. If suppose he has total 5 parts, out of 5 parts he sold already 3 parts, how many parts remaining? He would be 2 parts. Out of the 2 parts he give half of the remaining apple to his wife. Okay, actually he remained with 2 parts now. Out of 2 parts, one part is for a wife and one part is at him. Okay, and he left with how many apples here? 15. That means one part value is 15. They are asking you total apples. Total parts were how many here? 5 parts. One part is equal to 15. 5 parts is equal to x. Just cross multiplication. 75 is the answer. How many apples he purchased means total answer is what? 75. Look at this question. This problem is based on ages. Just try to comment the answers. Ready? So don't do it in a traditional way. I will tell you important logics here. They are giving you if A is 42 years. Okay, A is equals to what? 42. A is 7 years younger than B. Okay, if A is 42, then B is equals to what? 49. Because A is 7 years younger. Younger means lesser than B. So then obviously B value would be 49. And 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 A is 9 years younger than C. If A is equal to 42 and C is equals to 51, because he is 9 years younger than A. He is 9 years younger than C. Okay, and C and D are twins. They are giving you C and D are twins. So C value 51, D values would be 51. Would be 51. And they are asking you the question, find the age of D. What is the age of D? 51. Okay, ready. Answer for this question. Comment your answers quickly. What will be the remainder of 1 factorial plus 2 factorial plus 3 factorial up to 100 factorial divided by 6? Okay, look at here. 1 factorial 1, 2 factorial 2, 3 factorial 6, okay, 4 factorial 24 up to 100 factorial divided by 6. They are asking you the remainder. Okay, student, look at here. If it is divisible by 6, remainder is 0. 24 is divisible by 6, remainder is 0. After that, 5 factorial 120 is also divisible by 6, remainder is 0. In this way, total factorials will be divisible by 6, except these two. 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2 is what? 3. So what is the remainder? 3 is the answer. 3 is the answer. Okay. In this way, you will be having plenty of questions, students. Giving you just few questions. These are all recently asked questions. So look at this question. A is twice as good as B, and they can do the work in 21 days. A and B, two candidates are there. They can do the work in how many days? 21 days. And also they are putting one condition. A is twice as good as B. Suppose A is to B, ratio is there. A is 2 times and B is only 1 time, because A is twice as good as B. If he eat one apple, B eating one apple, at the same time A is eating 2 apples. That is the meaning of twice. That is the meaning of twice. This is the work ratio. This is the work ratio. Okay, and they both are completing in how many days? 21 days. So look at here, A and B totally eat 3 chocolates per day. 3 chocolates per day. And they are eating for 21 days. That means total chocolates would be 63. And what is the question they are asking you? In how many days B alone can do the work? These 63 chocolates can be eaten by whom? B. In how many days? B eat only 1 chocolate per day. So simply 63 by 1 is equal to B will take 63 days of time to eat that 63 chocolates. That means to complete the total work. Okay, students. So thank you everyone for participating in the live session. I hope you have seen the questioning pattern. Okay. Thank you so much everyone.